name is Courtney Reinisch. I am a family nurse practitioner, a professor, a contributor, and a reviewer of 101 plus primary cares case studies. 101 plus primary care case studies is an amazing resource for nurse practitioner students. This reading includes real world cases and the providers who took care of these patients' insights. We often teach content such as signs and symptoms that connect together to reach a differential diagnosis and ultimately the working diagnosis. This book provides students the opportunity to walk through a case with a seasoned provider and learn about their process to reach a working diagnosis. The fact that the provider looks and explains the differential diagnosis gives students insight into the process of considering multiple factors that go into the clinical decision making to reach a working diagnosis. I support this resource as an experienced FNP, a teaching professor, and a case contributor. I have been practicing as a family nurse practitioner for over 25 years and teaching and writing clinical cases for the last 18 years of my career. My experience in the field has been brought to life in this book. Cases are based on real patients and interactions I have had as an FMP working in urgent and primary care settings. The beauty of the book is the fact that while we teach signs and symptoms, patients don't always read our textbooks, and they may not present the way we expect. They may unintentionally leave out a clue that would guide a provider to reach a diagnosis. This book will show students how providers from a variety of disciplines reach a diagnosis, treatment plan, and collaborate with others to ensure optimal outcomes for those in our care. Nurse practitioner students, physician assistant students, and medical students can all benefit from this collection of cases for case-based learning. Thank you for the opportunity to share my thoughts and experiences with this book. Be well.